In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable asking for location permissions on LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to ask for your location instead of automatically blocking or allowing it, this is a very simple setting to change right from your desktop browser. This can be useful if you want more control over when LinkedIn accesses your location, especially if you're using features that may rely on regional information or location-based suggestions. To begin, make sure you're on LinkedIn in your desktop browser. Once you're there, look at the URL bar at the top of the browser window where the website address appears. On the left side of that URL bar, you should see a settings icon. Depending on the browser you're using, this may look slightly different, but it will usually appear as a small icon near the website address. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the icon, a small menu or panel will appear with options related to the website. From here, select Site Settings. This will open a page where your browser stores the specific permissions and behavior settings for LinkedIn. Once you're in the Site Settings area, you'll be able to see different options for the site, including permissions. These permissions control what LinkedIn is allowed to access while you're using it in your browser. Take a moment to look through the list until you find the Location Access setting. When you see the Location option, change its permission to Ask. This setting tells your browser to prompt you whenever LinkedIn wants to use your location rather than making the decision automatically. It's a good balance if you want to stay in control while still allowing access when needed. After you switch it to Ask, the change is usually saved right away, so there's typically no need to press a Save button. If LinkedIn was already open in another tab, it may help to refresh the page afterwards so the updated permission takes effect properly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled asking for location permissions on LinkedIn. It only takes a few clicks, and it gives you more control over your privacy and browser permissions. If you're adjusting other website permissions too, this same general area is often where you can manage things like camera, microphone, and notifications as well. That's all for this video.